What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Family here, and today we are doing a full restoration and screen replacement on this iPhone 6s. So yeah, guys, I bought this iPhone 6s in a lot of other phones. It works perfectly. It is a 16 gigabyte. I think it's a Sprint model, locked to Sprint. But other than that, it works perfectly. And today we are going to be doing a screen replacement on this phone. So right here, we have the home button, original home button to it. We have the phone, which is in immaculate condition. And we have our brand new screen right here. Before I go ahead and get into this repair, I just want to say a huge thank you to Electric Galaxy. He is sponsoring today's video. He provided the screen for this repair. And yeah, thank you very much for sponsoring this video. And let's go ahead and let's get started. So first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to make sure this screen works. So we're just going to be quickly plugging it in. Also, I'll have Electric Galaxy's channel up in the card right here, right now. And down in the description below. There we go. Screen seems to be working. Now, some of you guys who are very tech savvy would know this is a space gray back, and this is supposed to be a silver phone. Yes, I do know that. There is a difference between them, but it's not major. I had this housing lying around and it's like in mint condition. So I thought, why not? I'll use it. Because the other housing I had that was on this phone is in really rough condition. So, and this is the only really good condition housing that I had. Alright. Let's go ahead, test the screen real quick. Yep, screen is working perfectly. Let's go ahead, I'll show you guys. Yep, so this is a 16 gigabyte iPhone 6s on iOS 14.4.1. It is SIM locked. I think it's on Sprint. Alright, let's go ahead and power this off. And wait a couple seconds. And it should be off. Let's go ahead and unplug the battery. And unplug the screen. There we go. So since the screen already has all the pre-installed parts on it, we don't need to transfer anything over. Normally we would be transferring over the earpiece and the home button, but today we just need to transfer over the home button because this screen already came with a earpiece. Also, a lot of the times you transfer over this back plate, which this one came with. So we're going to go ahead and take this little protective thingy off. There we go. And now we're going to go ahead and unscrew the home button. Wow, well that just happened. The home button cable is separated from the actual home button itself. That's interesting. It doesn't matter on this home button though, because this home button is not paired to anything. It does really matter on the original home button, because if you break it, you will have to pay Apple to reprogram it, because they are the only ones who can. Okay, so I just realized that I pretty much missed recording almost all of putting this back together. So what we did was we went ahead and put the new home button in. And right now we're screwing the battery plate and the screen plate back on. Alright, there we go. We're going to go ahead and give the inside a quick wipe down. Make sure to get rid of all of our fingerprints. There we go. And let's go ahead and close it up. Got that crunch. Now normally on a 6S you put the adhesive on, but I don't have any 6S adhesive. And this one doesn't really, this isn't a highly valued phone, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, bottom screw 1 and bottom screw number 2. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, and everything seems to be working. Cool. So to finish this up, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and peel off the protective film. And we're going to go ahead and throw on a screen protector. And we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. This phone is now perfectly working and fully restored. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Also, thank you very much again to Electric Galaxy. I'll have his link down in the description below. And also, while you're at it, why not follow my Instagram? I'll have that on the screen right now and in the description below. So that's all. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.